We were part of the Ateneo Travel Club, and our very first activity was watching a movie in Cubao. And it was a very teary movie that we all cried, and that was the major activity of the Ateneo Travel Club in the 1980s. We wanted to escape class, and the only legitimate way was to have a travel club.
Kasi org activity.
Because it was an org activity, and the teachers would understand that the travel club has an activity, not knowing that we would go to Cubao and watch a movie.
So ano po yung mga, were you one of the founders of Travel Club?
Yeah, because my gang was the travel club.
Yeah. Kayo po yung founder nun. Sayang wala na siya ngayon.
For a good reason.
Kasi lakwatsa lang.
That was the ultimate lakwacha. So we legitimized that by having a travel club. We would escape class. The books would be first. The books would be traveling at the back of the classroom. And then the people will follow the books outside the classroom. So that was the second activity of the travel club. The traveling books.
Parang
It was weird, diba? Yeah. We were naughty in a clean way, but we just go to the library, naughty, home. So it was really clean fun. Well, it was the 80s, so